Hello, good evening. Welcome back. This is JBT. Meron po tayong problem dito. Engineering mechanics pa rin tayo. So, solve natin to, no? Review natin. So, meron tayong a large cylinder. Weight for W, radius is 2R. So, analytical lang po ito. So, analytical, meron kang large cylinder. Ito nga. Binigay yung kanyang 4W, yung kanyang weight. Yung radius niya is 2R. Lies on top of two small cylinders, each having a weight W and radius R. So yan po sa figure, very clear naman. A small cylinders are connected by a wire. Yung wire na yan, ito S. Length niya is 3R. Ito yung length. All surfaces are smooth. So smooth daw ito, meaning disregard natin yung friction. Determine all contact forces and magnitude of the force S in the wire. Okay, ito yung ating solution. We isolate the three cylinders, introduce the contact forces in the free body diagram. So, yan yung madalas nating sabihin, ano? Kahit anong mga textbook ang basahin natin kapag tayo ay nag-aaral ng engineering mechanics, statics. Ang weapon natin dyan na very, very nice, yung free body diagram. Okay? So, yan ang gagawin natin. The forces acting on each cylinder are concurrent forces. Due to the symmetry of the problem, we have only one equilibrium condition at the large cylinder and two equilibrium conditions for one of the small cylinders. These are three equations for three unknowns, N1, N2, and S. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Ito po yung ating free body diagram. Sa left side, okay, yung left side natin, tingnan yung free body diagram. This is the free body diagram. At kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung 4W. Okay, may reaction siya dyan. Yung tukod, no? Yung tukod ng nakapatong kasi siya sa W na to, sa left side. So, meron siyang N. And that creates an angle of A. And on the right hand, you have also N1. Okay, ibig sabihin lang yan, angle is the same. Hindi na kailangan isulat. And then, after that, meron siyang N2 into sa right, into sa left. And of course, may sariling bigat dyan na pa-vertical na W. Tapos, may pull. Nagpo-pull yung string S. Both sides. Okay? So, yun yung ating free body diagram, yung analysis. And then, we have also this 3R. 3R to. Kasi 3R ito. So that we can get the alpha later. O kasi dito, force system ito. Dito naman yung length system. Yung haba. Diameter. Para makuha natin yung angle. So, tatlo ang ating equation. Okay, and number 1, yung summation natin of forces vertical is equal to 0. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga forces going up. and going down. Okay, so may dalawa tayong forces. Yung component ng N1, okay, kukunin natin, dalawa yan. That is 2N1 cosine alpha. Okay, cosine alpha. Dito yan. Okay. Ito. Ayan, dito kukontrahin niya itong 4W. So, N2, 2N1 cosine alpha minus 4W is equal to 0. So, settle tayo. Meron tayong equation 1. So, hanap tayo ng equation pa. So, summation of horizontal, summation of forces vertical, summation of forces horizontal, and summation of moment at certain point is equal to 0. Yan lang po ang ating weaponry or arsenal, ika nga, armas, sapagkat tayo po yung nagsusolve ng mga mechanics, engineering mechanics, lalo na po statics such as this. Okay, settled na tayo. So, summation of forces horizontal tayo. So, may S ka. Kinukontra yan ng, siyempre, yung horizontal force component ng N1, and that would be expressed as N1 times sine alpha. Okay. Ngayon, meron tayong isa pang forces dito. So, pag samasamahin natin ngayon to, N2, okay, ayan, dito na tayo sa N2, minus, okay, minus alin? Minus N1, yung N1 mo diba? N1 cosine alpha minus W is equal to 0. So, the angle alpha follows the geometry of the problem. So, yung alpha mo is equal to 2 times R. Yan yung length divided by 2 divided by 3R. That is actually equal to 1/2, or alpha is 30 degrees. Okay. So, yun na po. Next slide. So, ito ang ating sagot, no? So, solving for the forces yields. Ito na siya. Yung N1 is equal to 2W over cosine alpha. Pwede rin namang 4 times square root of 3 over 3 times W. Ito yun. Tapos yung S natin is equal to 2W tangent alpha, or pwede ring 2 times square root of 3 over 3 times W. Okay? So, N2 is equal to 2W plus W is equal to 3W. So, yan na yung magiging formula mo. So, meron tayong remarks. The contact force N2 could have been determined from the equilibrium condition for the complete system. Ito. Diba? So, that is 2N2 minus 2W minus 4W equal to 0. Then, you will get N2 is equal to Dito nga. So, ang ibig niya sabihin, ito, saka yan, pwede makuha sa ganitong system. Okay? So, yun lang po yung ibig niya sabihin, yung ating input. So, yun lang po. Sana nagustuhan ninyo at may nakuha kayo. Please subscribe and share and do likes the video. Thanks. Bye for now. God bless.